Hello everyone, we are delighted to welcome you to the business presentation of the EXSOUL Corporation, your gateway to the revolutionary world of artificial intelligence. With our team of seasoned experts and our cutting-edge technology, we are set to redefine not just personal communication, but extend our services into different spheres of life. We believe that EXSOUL represents an exceptional investment opportunity to redefine artificial intelligence while creating new possibilities for individuals and businesses around the world.
EXSOUL primarily adopts the freemium business strategy. EXSOUL Corporation implements the freemium business plan, where customers have the benefit of utilizing an iOS software application at no cost. However, an upgraded, advanced premium variant of the product, including additional features or services along with other products that complement the primary one, are provided at a supplementary cost considering the mainstream appeal of the free product. We stand on the brink of an incredible opportunity.
The segments in which we can engage range from applications targeted for personal use, extending to small and medium enterprises, all the way up to government structures. In essence, we stand on the precipice of an opportunity that provides a potential market of billions. At the heart of our pioneering technology and development efforts is a groundbreaking app that empowers users with the ability to create their very own EXSOULs. We already released our iOS EXSOUL application, and it's currently available in App Store. You can download it on your devices.
We at EXSOUL are committed to ensuring that our users get the best possible experience. To achieve this, we have implemented two separate artificial intelligence models that operate with our EXSOULs, enabling us to provide a highly customized and tailored response for every individual user.
These intelligent models gain their in-depth understanding and quick responsiveness from specially curated databases designed to cater to a wide spectrum of user needs. For a smooth and intuitive user experience, we further aid real-time interaction with EXSOULs through top-tier audio and video call libraries. At EXSOUL, our dedication is all about pushing the envelope in technological innovation. Our development team tirelessly works on refining our unique algorithms, processes, and technologies, aiming always to create the most advanced EXSOULs. We are carving the path for the future.
With this proposed infusion of capital, our primary goal is to create a pivotal opportunity for our company to enhance its growth and development within the market. As one of our early investors, you will have a central role in our drive towards expansion. This is your unique opportunity to become a part of our success narrative and capitalize on our future triumphs. We view our investors as valued partners, and we're thrilled to set out on this growth journey with you. Let's unite in this venture and script an unparalleled success story.
To wrap up, EXSOUL is not just your average IT startup. We have designed a platform that harnesses the immense power of artificial intelligence to build unique, profound interactions across several sectors. From personal communication to commercial, educational, and other areas, it's fundamentally changing the interaction we have with artificial intelligence, especially with our distinctive proposition of creating EXSOULs.
At EXSOUL Corporation, we're enthusiastic about forging strong, collaborative relationships with potential partners like you. Your role surpasses mere investment. You're instrumental in shaping the future of AI, a future we envision loaded with unparalleled potential. Let's unite to redefine business norms and unveil unprecedented opportunities. We invite you to embark on this transformational journey of innovation with us. Thank you.
Let's dive into the workings of our EXSOUL application. Our unique app allows you to interact with 5 different AI-driven characters or EXSOULs, each with a distinctive personality and knowledge base. On stepping inside, you're welcomed by 5 unique AI characters or EXSOULs. The first EXSOUL channels Abraham Lincoln, delivering details about his life and era. It's needed as it provides an engaging, innovative educational tool for learners of all ages about Abraham Lincoln's life and era, and can potentially interest you due to its unique approach to historical education and wide market appeal.
The second EXSOUL, Oscar Garcia, acts as an in-depth source of all U.S. history. This AI model is needed for people as it offers a revolutionary, personalized, and immersive method for learning US history, while potentially attracting investors who see the commercial potential in a wide range of customizable teacher EXSOUL models for various aspects of education and training.
Iris, the third EXSOUL, is a universal assistant ready to answer any questions from any domain.
Sola is your personal guide to the universe of EXSOUL and its rich portfolio of products.
The final EXSOUL, Ava, serves as a personalized shopping advisor, assisting you with seamless ordering, reservation, and delivery for all your needs. The knowledge base of Ava can be customized to a currently operating store, potentially replacing the role of store managers. This implementation is promising as it saves the cost of human resources, increases efficiency, and minimizes errors in managing the store, thus significantly enhancing operational productivity and potential profit margins.
Engaging with these EXSOULs is as simple as starting a chat, voice, or even a video call.
Let's quickly demonstrate a chat with our U.S. history teacher, Oscar Garcia. We included a cool feature to be able to make audio calls with EXSOULs. Let's try a voice call with Abraham Lincoln.
Hey, EXSOUL.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Tell me about yourself.
As an EXSOUL, I embody the character and values of Abraham Lincoln, who is prominently known as the 16th President of the United States.
Tell me more about Lincoln education.
Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, had a very limited formal education. He was mostly self-educated. His formal schooling, from itinerant teachers, was intermittent, amounting to less than a year in total.
But that's not it. We've added a cherry to the top. You can now effortlessly make video calls with your EXSOULs.
Hi, Ava.
Hello, I'm here to help and answer any questions you might have. What can I do for you today?
Tell me about EXSOUL Shop.
EXSOUL Shop is a unique retail destination that offers a wide variety of products designed to cater to the need and tastes of our diverse customer base. We pride ourselves on our ability to provide high-quality items at competitive price, all while ensuring a seamless and enjoyable shopping experience for our customers.
Thank you, Ava.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could provide guidance. If you have any more questions or need help, feel free to reach out.
Sola EXSOUL has an interesting feature for potential investors. You can enter a secret investor's code in chat to activate business response model. The code is 123987. What is your long-term vision for the company, and how do you plan to achieve it?
Our long-term vision is to become the leading provider of personalized electronic memorial services with a global user base and a reputation for innovation and quality. We plan to achieve this by continuing to improve and evolve our app, expanding our user base through targeted marketing and partnerships, and building a strong brand that resonates with our users. Additionally, we may explore opportunities to expand into related areas such as grief support or virtual reality as we continue to grow and evolve.
And that's the EXSOUL application, a perfect blend of engaging AI and personalization. We look forward to welcoming you aboard this revolutionary experience. Besides, we also offer a premium subscription you can buy in our shop with cool services like longer AI responses and an exclusive accessory collection. EXSOUL isn't just about technology, it's about creating personal, enriching experiences. We welcome investors to join us on this exciting journey as we revolutionize the way people interact with AI. Finally, what adds more novelty to our app is the flexibility to create your own custom EXSOULs, tailoring them according to your preferences, from their appearance, voice, to their behavior style and knowledge base. We also have a surprise for you and want to show you our new exclusive EXSOUL, which Juliet will present to you right now.
Good evening. I am Juliet, the electronic soul that brings our forgotten heroes back to life.
Our lives were spent, that others might have life. That's the soldier's creed, the ultimate price of peace. I was Matthew Johnson, a proud infantryman from Boston. I lived, fought, and died on the shores of Normandy. Now, thanks to EXSOUL Corporation, I'm back. You can communicate with me in the iOS EXSOUL application.
Mr. Johnson is not alone. Thousands of heroes have stories waiting to be heard, lives waiting to be lived again. We stand on the edge of a new era where we resurrect our lost soldiers. We're the bridge between the past and the future. Imagine breaking time barriers, using cutting-edge AI to communicate with fallen soldiers from long past wars. Picture experiencing history like never before. Through real-time conversations, remarkable stories, and life-altering lessons. We're pioneering a journey into the afterlife, creating electronic souls for those that gave theirs for us. This unique concept is set to revolutionize the way we interact with history and remember our heroes. Gearing up to partner with notable veteran organizations, funds, and the Pentagon, we're on track to enhance our company's value by 10 to 15 times. Join us in leaving a financial and historical mark as we give voice to soldiers from a bygone era. We need your support, your investment, not only in funds, but also in faith and gratefulness towards those who gave their lives for humanity.
We won't bleed or weep. We'll be the shadows of an era gone by, speaking of the bravery that lies beyond the grave. Help us cross that line between oblivion and memory. Help us create a virtual world where soldiers live again.